Cooking is an art, and the tools you use can make or break the experience. Enter the CAROTE 12pcs pots and pans set, a cookware ensemble designed to elevate your cooking game. This review dives deep into every aspect of this set, from its exclusive triple-bonded stainless steel construction to its versatility and compact storage benefits. By the end of this article, you'll understand why this set deserves a place in your kitchen. Unveiling the highlights of the CAROTE 12-piece cookware set. Exclusive triple-bonded stainless steel. At the heart of the CAROTE cookware lies its triple-bonded stainless steel construction. This ensures durability, efficient heat distribution, and compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. Whether you're searing a steak or simmering a delicate sauce, the even heat conductivity delivers consistent, flawless results. Compact design for smart storage. Small kitchen? No problem. The CAROTE cookware set is designed to stack and nest, saving valuable cabinet space. It's an ideal solution for RVs, compact apartments, or minimalist homes. Removable handle for multi-purpose use. One standout feature is the removable handle. This allows you to transition effortlessly between stovetop, oven, and table, providing versatility and convenience. It also makes cleaning and storage a breeze. Dishwasher-friendly convenience. Hate scrubbing pots and pans? The CAROTE set is optimized for dishwasher use, ensuring effortless cleanup and a polished finish every time. Performance. Cooking with confidence. Efficient heat conductivity. The wider 3-ply stainless steel base provides fast and even heating. This means no more hot spots or uneven cooking. Whether you're making crispy pancakes or creamy risotto, the CAROTE set delivers consistent results. Oven-safe versatility. The CAROTE cookware is oven-safe, enabling you to bake, broil, or roast without transferring your food to a separate dish. With a heat tolerance of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can enjoy seamless cooking from stovetop to oven. Induction ready. Not all cookware is induction compatible, but the CAROTE set shines here. Its stainless steel base ensures compatibility, making it suitable for all types of stovetops, from gas and electric to induction. Design. Functionality meets elegance. Glossy stainless steel finish. The sleek, glossy finish is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's resistant to scratches and stains, ensuring your cookware looks new for years to come. Ergonomic handles. The removable handles are not only practical, but also ergonomically designed for comfort and stability. You'll love how they feel in your hands, especially during long cooking sessions. Versatile sizes for all recipes. This 12-piece set includes a variety of pots and pans, perfect for every cooking need, whether it's sautéing vegetables, boiling pasta, or preparing a one-pot meal. Durability that stands the test of time. High-quality materials. The triple-bonded stainless steel ensures long-lasting durability. Unlike traditional cookware that wears out over time, the CAROTE set maintains its performance and appearance. 10-year guarantee. Backing up its quality, CAROTE offers a 10-year guarantee, giving you peace of mind and assurance of a worthy investment. Who is the CAROTE cookware set for? This cookware set is perfect for home chefs, ideal for those who cook daily and require durable, reliable tools. RV owners, compact and versatile, it's a dream for RV kitchens. Minimalists, with its stackable design and multifunctionality, it's great for those seeking a clutter-free kitchen. Gift seekers, an excellent gift for weddings, housewarmings, or anniversaries. How does CAROTE compare to competitors? Better storage solutions. While other brands offer similar cookware, few prioritize space-saving designs like CAROTE. Removable handle advantage. This feature sets CAROTE apart, making it adaptable for diverse cooking and serving needs. Affordability. Without compromising quality. Compared to high-end brands, CAROTE delivers premium features at a budget-friendly price. Conclusion. Is the CAROTE cookware set worth it? Absolutely. The CAROTE 12-pieces pots and pans set is a versatile, durable, and aesthetically pleasing addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this set offers everything you need to cook with confidence and style. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.